Hello friends, today we'll discuss how to hide fields from personalized list in ServiceNow. Sometimes what happens, you will get a requirement like that, like you have to hide some fields from some specific users for or some from specific roles that user is not able to access. I'll tell you what happened, like when you extended some table, like you have created one custom table, or you might extend a contract table or any other table. That times you will get a requirement like you don't want irrelevant fields in personalized list for the some specific users. So that for that time we are using this. For that time we have to hide hide the fields from personalized list. So how to hide that? We'll write some field ACLs. So for implementing this, today we'll see one use case, and use case is like that, like we need to hide priority field from incident table for non-admin users in personalized list. Means if user doesn't have an admin role, they are not able to see this priority field in their personalized list. Let me go to the instance, and here, and if we open the incident dot list, so currently I am as a admin user, so you will see personalized list priority is there. Okay, and if we personate non-admin user, so let's check one non-admin user. Just open this user. Let me take our favorite user, that is Able Tutor, and this Able Tutor also having the ITIL role but don't have an admin role. So currently if you see like Able Tutor also, let me impersonate firstly, that we'll see today. Yeah, let me open incident. So if you open here, if you open personalized list, so currently if you see that Able Tutor also able to select this priority field from personalized, means it's not hiding. So for hiding this from non-admin user, we'll write one field ACL. So how we'll do that, we'll see today. So let me first open the access control list. For writing any access control list for any ACL, you have to click on elevate roles and you have to check this security admin, and now you will see new button here, right? So you just click on new. Yeah, from here, type is record, and operation here you have to select add to list, add underscore to underscore list, and from name here we have to select the table name incident, and here we have to select the field will be the priority, and here we have to select the role. So if we double click on it, let me take it admin and submit it. Let me submit it. It's loading. Click on continue. Yeah, so now we have written one field ACL on priority, means like other than admin, priority field will not visible in personalized list. So currently we'll see whether it's visible for admin or not. So let me go to priority. So it's visible for admin. Let me impersonate with non-admin user. So impersonate our favorite user, that is Able Tutor. And now we'll check whether it's visible or not. So if we click on update personalized list icon, and if we click search priority, if you see that priority field is not visible. see. So like that we are hiding the fields from the personalized list. This is mainly used where, like, in my case what happened, like, I got a requirement from one of our client, like, they are extending the contract table in the custom table, and that time there some irrelevant fields are coming in their related list, not related this in this personalized list. So they are asked me to remove that, means I have to hide it. So that time I have used this field ACL to hide the fields for that particular role. So I hope you have understand. If you understand, please like this video. Thank you.